Hey guys, DeFi Devlog number 4. Been over a month since the last post. So last month mostly focused on I was getting my HTML, CSS, and JavaScript back sharpened up. Did pretty good with that. Didn't finish the Scrimba course fully, but I learned plenty, learned what I needed to get some work done. And we're doing Hack Money. We're doing the HackMoney ETHGlobal hackathon. So I'm on a team, got a pretty kick-ass team. Um, and I'll just quickly show you guys our project. It's going to be a simple. It's called Smart Wallet. It's basically it's a front end to help users easily buy some crypto using Transact. All this stuff, especially the UI, is very early. We're just working on the functionality first, and we have about another week, actually, a little more than a week to submit the project. But making good progress so far. You buy crypto here, you can buy it directly with fiat, or you can have your own crypto and you connect with your MetaMask here. These are just some test functions. We can supply Ether to Aave, and I'll show you guys that working here, for example. So right now we're on Rinkeby testnet. Quick scroll through of some of the code. We've been mostly 3 guys doing this, the front end coding parts. Then we have a back end guy, and we're gonna have a guy for the investment strategies and kind of the investment overview guy who's gonna write up our investment strategies and details about them. Let's go ahead and do a quick test though. So see, let's do a test with wrap Bitcoin. So first you're gonna approve the wrap Bitcoin, allowing let's try approving it, and I'll show you guys what this does. So this approves on the smart contract, on the wrap Bitcoin smart contract. It approves Aave to take a certain amount of wrap Bitcoin, which is going to be 10. Let's wait for that to go through. And we can see it's actually interacting directly with the blockchain here. And initially it was really complicated figuring how to interact with smart contracts right from the front end. But using Morales, it made it a little simpler with this execute function. And we just have to pass in these options, this options object with parameters depending on, so you need the contract address, the name of the function, and the ABI of the contract. Also need certain parameters depending on each function. So this one you need the pool address, stuff like this. So it went through. Now if we supply wrap Bitcoin, see it doesn't throw an error here. Doesn't even, so if there's an error, it won't even try the transaction. But now we have no error. We can confirm. So now Aave is actually going to take 10 wrap Bitcoin from here, and it's going to put it into the Aave. So you see here, we actually just went from 10 to 20, right there. So now we're invested. We have 20 wrap Bitcoin total invested into Aave. Now we can come here and withdraw it from the Aave app. For example, we can pull 10 out, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to create a transaction here to withdraw the Bitcoin, but I'm going to actually do it from the front end here to show you guys that it works here too. So withdraw 10. There we go. So it should be withdrawing the 10. That should be withdrawn. And now I have my 12 Bitcoin wrap Bitcoin once again. If I check here, the Aave interface should update to 10. Yep, it just did. Pretty cool. We have also these faucet features. You can faucet wrap Bitcoin, or you can faucet DAI, and it gives you this. It gives you testnet wrap Bitcoin and DAI. So also we have this little Matic donation. It's like you can switch over to Matic network. So it looks like it's this is actually mainnet. It's not testnet anymore. We switched it over to mainnet. So you can see a live on the Polygon mainnet transaction. It just went through from our front end. So we deposited it right to this address through our front end. Pretty cool. We're just going to work with Aave initially, but we might also add a couple other yield aggregators. Yeah. Some of the next steps are going to be displaying a similar UI to this on our front end, so you can see the interest rates that you're getting on your deposits and stuff like that. Basically, you can see how much you have deposited, how much you have withdrawn, all that. Then we're gonna have to do a video summarizing our submission, and these are all the possible prize rewards. Would be really sweet if we catch one of these. If not, just going to be really stoked to have submitted a full project working cooperatively with a team. Our team is all over the world. We got a guy from India, we got a guy from the Netherlands, Germany, so we're pretty stacked. I'm from Jersey, so we got representing the US. Pretty sweet DeFi team working on this DApp. All right, guys. Well, that's the progress update. I'm gonna be doing a progress update again, or maybe just doing this full submission update, and then we'll see how we do if we catch any of these grants, or just see how our product comes out.